In this video, I will show you how to add co-host to a live chat in Threads. First of all, open up Threads. Now go to a community where you have hosting privileges or community champions tag. From here, click on this three dotted lines menu bar in the top right corner. Here you will find create a live chat or schedule a live chat. Simply click on it. After that, enter your chat name, photo, desired start and end time. After that, there you will find invite host option. Click on it. Then search or select the username of the people you want to bring as co-host. You can select up to 3 co-hosts at a time. And then simply click on save and create. And that's it. If you think this video is helpful, please like, share, subscribe to our channel, and thank you for watching.